Unraveling the Phrases, Understanding, Run Away. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to delve into the world of English phrases and uncover the meaning behind the phrase, run away. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate English learner, understanding these kinds of phrases is crucial as they pop up quite often in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and break down the phrase, run away. Run away is a phrasal verb, and it can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, to run away means to leave a place or a person quickly with the intention of escaping. People might run away from a situation that is uncomfortable, dangerous, or undesirable. Example 1. Imagine you are at a party, and suddenly a fight breaks out. You might decide to run away to avoid getting involved or hurt. In this context, run away means to escape from a dangerous situation. Example 2. A child might run away from home because they are upset with their parents. Here, run away means to leave a place hastily, often due to emotional reasons. Now that we have a grasp of what run away means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Example 1. As soon as he saw the police, he decided to run away. In this sentence, run away is used to describe someone hastily leaving a place, possibly to avoid getting caught. Example 2. She couldn't handle the pressure at work, so she ran away to a small town for a break. Here, ran away is used to convey the idea of someone leaving their usual environment to find peace or respite. When learning phrasal verbs like run away, it's easy to get confused. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Incorrect. He was so scared, he ran away. Correct. He was so scared, he ran away. Explanation. Remember to use the correct tense of the verb. In this case, the past tense, ran, should be used. Mistake 2. Incorrect. She is planning running away from home. Correct. She is planning to run away from home. Explanation. After planning, we use to plus base form of the verb. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope that this discussion on run away has helped clear up any confusion and enriched your understanding of English phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them. Don't forget to practice using them in sentences, and feel free to rewind and rewatch any parts of this video if you need to. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.